How to do local keyword search for free. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can basically do a local keyword search for which is completely free, and how you can find keywords for yourself that are going to work, and that is going to basically generate more audience for your content. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to understand what is keyword and what is SEO. SEO is search engine optimization keywords, and keywords are the things that you put into when you are trying to search up something. Like if I'm searching for winter clothes, I would search winter clothes on my Google or any search engine that you use. Winter clothes is basically a keyword. So whenever a person tries to search something, they enter some specific keywords, and when you add those kind of keywords into your own content, that is basically help the search engine into optimizing your data, your content to come up in the search results. And that's how basically the person gets that, okay, so this person has written something about winter clothes, or this person sells winter clothes. Like if you have a shop, if you sell clothes, and if you have entered keyword into your products, if you have entered keywords into the description of your products, so whenever a person searches for winter clothes, it is very possible, it is a high possibility that your specific store is going to represent itself in the search results of that person. And whenever that happens, that person is going to open your store, and it is a very big possibility that they're going to buy something from your own store, and that's how basically they will get to know about your store. Maybe there's a possibility that beforehand they don't even know that you exist, and now when they searched it, and when your store came up in the search results, okay, so now they know that, okay, there's a store named by name like this, and they sell good products, and they can also refer that to a friend. They can tell a friend that, okay, so there's a store and these products are listed in there and it is very good. So this is how basically the whole you gather more audience if you do your SEO optimization and you add more and more keywords into your content. So how you basically search for keywords, and how you find local keywords, and what keyword tool to use to basically add more keywords to your content. Okay, so it is basically a time taking process, and then there is a beginner process as well. Some people go to Fiverr or Upwork and find freelancers for themselves that are basically going to generate the whole SEO optimized website for you, or SEO optimized blogs for you. And those people are basically professionals in adding some specific keywords and searching to those keywords, and that kind of keywords are basically going to generate more audience to your content. But how you can do that yourself as a beginner, and how you can find local keywords and without even spending some money. So here I have a website for you which is named wordstream.com, and on here you will find your keyword tool. And this is a site where you can search for keywords for completely free, and this derives keywords directly from Google. So for example, if you want to search a specific keyword, enter a keyword or website URL to find suggestions. Let's say writing a blog and it is related to skincare products, so you can just enter skincare product into this website right here, and it will generate more keywords like that for you. So let's see that discover new keywords and performance data to use in your site content, Google Ads campaigns, and more. So let's say I'm basically writing a blog which is related to skincare. So I just searched up a keyword skincare, and I'm going to find my keywords. Okay, now refine your search with industry and location. Okay, so this is basically where you have to choose an industry for yourself. Your keyword belongs to what kind of industry? It belongs to beauty and personal care. So enter a state or country. Here you can basically add a specific state for yourself where you are located. So the keywords that are going to represent themselves to you will be the one that are being used in that specific region. So this is the local keyword search. If you want to generate more audience in your local region, because it depends upon the region that you're in, the people around you who are using the content, it is very much likely that those people will reach out to your products or your content or something. So you have to choose your region right here. I have chosen United States. You can choose anything that you want, and now I want to continue. Okay, so here you can see this is the main keyword that I searched. This is skincare, and the monthly search volume of skincare is 368,000. Now, top of page bid is low range, and it is $1.66. Top of page bid high range is $6.29. So the competition between this keyword is very high. So now you have different keywords as well. You have the ordinary skincare, vitamin C serum, you have exfoliators. I didn't had exfoliators in mind. Skincare products, face face moisturizer, I didn't had that in mind, face clean. So you can see you generated a whole lot of keywords for yourself that you can work on and that you can add. As you can see, I have 500 keywords for me right now. You can download all of these keywords and basically integrate them into your work or something. You can add them into your hashtag this into your posts on social media as well. And these are all the keywords that you can use for this specific content. Now if we talk about a competition, you have to look for the keywords that are not very high in competition, because if you're a blogger and you're very much aware that there are like tons of bloggers out there that are writing about the skincare, if your keyword is very common and if the competition between all those keywords is high, then it is a very less chance that your content is going to be rated higher in search results, because the big bloggers, the famous bloggers, the branded bloggers are going to take that whole search result away from you, and your content is not going to represent itself in the higher tops of search results. So you have to pick some keywords which are not very high in competition. So when a person searches that specific keywords, your brand or your content is the first one or second one to come up in the search results. So you have to look for the competition right here. Now if we look at this personal care, the competition for that is medium, so you can use that keyword, and it also looks very good. Like personal care, it's a good keyword, you can use that. It is very medium in competition. So you can also find some keywords which are low in competition. As you can see, this one right here, skincare face wash. So skincare face wash is very low in competition. So if you are selling, or if you're talking about a face wash, or if you are just talking about skincare, obviously face wash is a very integral part of your skincare. So you can add this keyword into your content, and as the competition is low, it will generate more audience to your content and to your blog. So you can also go around and you can check all of those 5 keywords, and they're basically going to be going to generate more sales for you, and you can download them and everything. Okay, so this was a very short keyword, a 1-word keyword. If we search for something more long, okay, so let's say a person is searching for restaurants near me. Like if they go on Google and search for restaurants near them, and you just put in that keyword. So if you have written a blog about, if you are writing a blog about that specific thing, if you are writing a blog about restaurants and food, and in that specific region, in your specific region, so you can just go on and add these kind of keywords into your search. So I'm just going to generate some keywords for myself, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so you see right here, this is the restaurants. Okay, the food near me is also very great, restaurants near me great, but the competition between them is low. So it gives you the benefit that the competition between those kind of keywords is always very low. Not always, but mostly very low. So as you can see, all the keywords that have driven themselves to me are low in competition. So you can use all of these keywords very easily, and then you can integrate them into your content, and a person searching for restaurants near me is very likely to see your blog about that. So Mexican restaurant, fast food near me, Chinese food near me, breakfast near me, eating places near me, sushi near me, firehouse subs low. So you can see there are almost 500 keywords that came on here, and all of them are low in competition, which is like great. So you can use all of these keywords, and you can drive more audience to your content, and then you can obviously, if you are selling, or if you are just a blogger or anything, you can make a lot more money when you have a lot more audience. So it's that easy. Adding keywords into your content is a must when you are in online, if you are basically uploading something online, because that's how people are gonna see it. If you just upload it and no one sees it, then it's of no use. So this was it for today's video, guys. This is how you can use your local keyword search. I hope it was informative enough. If you have any query, you can just comment it down in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you guys. And please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.